Hey guys, today I will show you how to replace fuel filter on Audi TT Mk2. It is located on the right back side. In Europe this is passenger side. For this job what you need is a screwdriver with regular Phillips and of course a new filter. Obviously some gloves come handy, some rag to clean off excess fuel which comes out of the filter. Maybe some pliers sometimes come handy and some prying tool to take off the hoses. First things first, jack up your car properly. I'm using 2 jack stands just to make sure that the thing is really safely in the air. And I also put a jack on the rear arm. Either leave doors open or don't open the doors at all, because when you open the doors, pressure will increase in the fuel lines and then you will have a bit more trouble cleaning all the mess. It is also handy to have some kind of card box on the bottom and something to catch leaking fuel. Start by disconnecting the hoses. You can use pliers and pry tool if you think this is more handy, or you can also do it with your hand while you push the button in with your thumb. When you remove the hose, put on this plastic which comes with the new filter. This is a bit tight space, that's why many times pliers are very handy. So just put on this plastic cover to prevent fuel coming out of the filter. Now to explain these clips, they have these little buttons which you need to press in, so you need to press this blue button inside and then you can push it out. And in this case it's the same, only that it's black, so you push this part in. Now unscrew this plastic around the filter which is holding it in place to remove the filter. Pull the filter out, that's it. Now clean everything with the cleaner rag, because you really don't want any debris into your fuel lines, especially on this side. The fuel comes from the tank into the filter, then it filters out all the debris and then the clean fuel shall go into this line. Now it's time to put this guy back in. An arrow shows towards the front of the car. This is the blue line, this is the black line, remember from before. So filter goes in just like that, and it should sit in here. Now it's super simple, just push the blue line on until it clicks, push the black line on until it clicks, and finally now this should click on. Perfect. The old screw, it was scraped by the weather, so I will try to find a replacement, or if not I will just clean it. And it's clear. Now it can go back into the car like that. You can maybe remove this hose away if you feel you will have more space, but I don't know, it also works like that. Make this snug so that filter doesn't move anywhere. Turn the car on and let's see if we get fuel. Like a charm. Make sure there are no leaks on the filter. Basically whatever you have removed, you should cross-check it if it doesn't leak, if everything is fine. That's it, that's how you change your fuel filter. Thanks for watching and see you next time.